Hey guys, NJMove3652 here, and today I'm going to be unboxing this box, which is a mystery box from SLB Productions. It contains 6 devices I do not know what they are, so let's find out what's in it. Alright, I probably have the little label blocked out with my special editing software, for obvious reasons. But anyway, that's why there's a white box on your screen. Anyway, let's open this, or let me attempt to. To the best of my ability. I do not know what is in this, and you can contact SLB if you want one of his mystery boxes. He has 9 of them. You can get between 5 and 7 random devices. Alright, let's see what's in this. And again, I do not have any idea what's in here. Alright, it's gonna take this one. I'm gonna go for this one first. It is a Simplex T-Bar. Looks to be a red-backed conventional Simplex T-Bar. Awesome. I'm not sure on the exact model number because I don't have my keys with me right now. I believe it may be a Simplex 2099-9754 with the red backing, which I love. Cool. Alright, oh, you can't see this. I'm gonna put this up to here. Alright, let's look for another item. This one I'm guessing is some kind of horn strobe. Here's a... Oh, cool. This is some sort of pyrotronics alarm. It has a lot of paint on it. It's some sort of pyrotronics alarm. I do not have a screwdriver with me, but when I do get one, I will take it off the back box and see what it is. It has this cool magnifying strobe on it, which is pretty cool. These are pretty unique. Alright, we have 4 more devices. This is looks like the full station. This is a RSGT bar. I've been wanting one of these for a long time. Call 911. I like that little sticker. It's not monitored by the fire department, which is true for my system. Faraday rebranded RSGT bar. Awesome. I'm using the shot a little bit. Alright. This is a Simplex mini horn. I'm not sure what that is. 2901-9858. I'm pretty sure. I'm not sure if anybody's made a video on one of these. Let me try focusing it. I'm not sure if anybody's made a video on one of these, but these are pretty unique and cool. Never seen one of these in service, and I've been wondering how they sound, so I guess I could play around with it. 2 more. Ah, it's out of focus. Focus. There we go. Let's play around with that. Oh. I think it's one big one. So what is it? I think it is. I'm going to be happy. Oh, it is! This is a Simplex 40/3 9101 strobe plate. I love the retro appearance of these. And it's meant so you can mount a horn on top of it. These are really retro and I really like them. Alright, last device. Is a pyrotronic or FOS strobe. Alright guys, that's me unboxing my mystery box of fire alarms. Here's all the devices I got one more time. I need to sand the paint off of this one, but yep, hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.